So now I'm create a new notepad file, right? So in functions I have already know about arithmetical function, sqrt, power query, pow, and pi. This is all arithmetical function, but this is not user defined function. This is not user defined function, right? It's a predefined function. This is a predefined function, and function is called as a method. Function is called as a method in core Java. So whenever required to declare a user defined method, yeah, own method, then you need to declare this method before the main function, now I'm just use class method example. Public static void main string arguments uh, before this function, means before this function, after the class I just declare a function void a. This is my main function, means method. Why this method? Because after the name of the method I just put a parenthesis, means what? This is a method. And what is the definition of the method? The method definition is the collections of the variables and data. It's called as a method, much like some package, some small package, and just declare this package. When required to call this package, then you need to call this package, right? So I just declare one message inside this method, system dot out dot println welcome. This is my method. I need to declare one another method void p, and just system dot out dot println this is one message, right? And this is a set method. Before the function name, when you use a void keyword, it's called as a set method. It did not return any value, right? It did not return any value. Suppose you require to create a returning method. Then you need to call integer int space method name. For example, double a. This is my method name, right? And I just return value 12 multiplied by 12. I just return this value, right? Just come inside the main method, and whenever required to call this method inside the main function. Without calling the main function, it did not run. Why? Because the program will be compilation start from the main function. Every program should be compilation start from the main function. So whenever required to call this method, then you need to create the object of the class. Which class? Method example underscore o method example. I just put method example is equal to new method example, right? Now method example, this is my class name, and underscore o method example, this is my object name. So in a Pascal format, whenever required to create an object, then you need to put underscore for the object o and class name, same as class name. This is my Pascal format structures for the declaration of the object of the class. After that is equal to initialize of the class, new method example, right? Now just use the object name. My object name is underscore o method example, right? So now I'm use underscore o method example dot call the function a. After that base dot call the method of b, function of b, right? And when required to call returning method, then system dot out dot println, because the returning function will be return the value, not any message, right? So the value is equal to plus object name dot function name, means method name, like this. Now I just say this program with class name. My class name was method example. Just copy, just save as method example dot java CLS java c method example dot what is my class name, method example dot java. Right, now java method example. Could not find a load main class method example because some my class name was method example.
So there, I think so you have written E
Where?
in the second CMD. You wrote ME this second one.
Okay, I just wrong the name of the class. Method MA. Just use MA because my class is method. Welcome, hi, and 144. The program compilation flow is upper to down, but suppose you need to call this B function before the A method, it's also possible. Now just save and run. It's depend actually how to call the method, how to call and which position will be called the method is depending on that. Right? So this is one basic example how to declare a set method and returning method, means your own method, your user defined method in core Java.